Okay, thank you so much for those of you who subscribe into my YouTube channel. So we have 9,000 subscriber now into my YouTube channel. So maraming salamat sa mga taong nanonood ng videos ko at nagsasubscribe ng aking videos at higit sa lahat sa mga taong nagko-comment sa mga videos ko at nagpapaviral from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and international. So ayun, there's no safe place to all targeted individual out there. Just go out and do the things that makes you happy, spread the happiness, say to your loved ones that you love those people until they are alive in this world. So yun, and iparamdam nyo, samahan nyo sa buhay na mahal nyo sila kahit hindi nyo sila kasama sa araw-araw na pamumuhay or in your daily life routine. So ayun, thank you so much for those of you who trust me into my YouTube channel for 9,000 subscriber. Nagsimula tayo ng 3,000 tapos ngayon 9,000 subscriber na, at gusto ko dumagdag pa na dumagdag ang subscriber ko hanggang magiging 1 billion subscriber na tayo. So ayun, there's no safe place to all targeted individual out there. Take care always, everyone!